Making wood panels is unavoidable in woodworking, but up until now, you needed a lot of clamps and the right technique to make them straight and flat. The traditional method of clamping is inconvenient because you have to alternate each clamp, one on the bottom, one on top, and so on, to prevent the panel from buckling under clamping pressure, a messy technique that can leave stains on the wood if the glue is in contact with steel. Moreover, moving a clamped panel to make room in your shop can prove difficult because of the weight. The new D300 Damstom panel clamp transforms completely the way you glue wood panels. Its two straight steel bars ensure that panels are flat every time, quickly and easily. To make wood panels with the Damstom clamps, start by putting the bottom bars on two pieces of wood. Then adjust the height of the clamp so it's centered in the thickness of the panel. The Damstom clamp is designed to work with thicknesses from 3/4 of an inch up to 4.5 inches. Lay your wood pieces so you can apply glue on their edges. Put the pieces in place for the last step, clamping. Now, put the second bar on top, apply downward pressure and tighten the knob to lock it in place. Drop the locking pin to match the panel width. Then tighten the hand screws to make perfectly flat panels every time. Since each Damstom clamp prevents panels from popping up, you can space them between 12 to 18 inches apart, much more than conventional clamps. You will need less clamps, and since they weigh just 4.6 pounds, you can move the panels out of the way easily. No cleaning problem either. With its electrostatic paint finish, glue won't stain the wood, and you can even peel it off with your fingernail. Simplify your wood panel glue-ups with the new Damstom panel clamp. For more information, please visit our website at www.damstom.com.